All right, well, Al, today the shuttle begins its 12-mile trek to a Los Angeles museum on some of the busiest streets of America. It's a move that's been a year in the making and requires some backbending logistics, including the cutting down of hundreds of trees to guarantee a safe journey. Our own Dave Malkoff has been following this story and is in Los Angeles. Dave, good morning.
Good morning, you guys. We are here at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, waiting for Endeavour's final journey.
Oh, right there! Right over there!
What a sight. Never seen anything like that in my life.
If you thought seeing a space shuttle fly piggybacked over the streets of Los Angeles was cool, just wait until it drives through those very same streets. Nearly 400 trees had to come down so the shuttle can make its way from LAX through 12 miles of city streets to the California Science Center. Endeavour's sheer size is something these neighborhood roads were never built for.
You see these semi-trucks on the road every single day, and you know exactly how big they are. Space shuttle? Not so much. That's why we virtually placed them right next to each other. This wingspan right here is 78 feet across. Not to mention how high it is from the bottom of the boosters all the way to, the nose cone all the way up there. That's 122 feet. But it may be smaller than you think. Now we've placed the Endeavour over the highway, and we're bringing in a large cargo jet. Come on, move it. We don't have that much time. Come on. Okay, now they're going to place it on top of the space shuttle. That MD-11's wingspan is 196 feet, dwarfing the space shuttle underneath. Now you know it might be a little easier to ride the space shuttle down the road than something big like that.
And liftoff of the maiden voyage of Endeavour.
When I saw it launch, there were tears in my eyes. It was just, you're thinking, oh my gosh, that's my experiment. It's going up into space.
Here at NASA, Margie Homer worked on Endeavour's electronic nose that can literally sniff out problems aboard the ship, where astronauts spent 2 decades working up a sweat.
I've heard it smells like a gym locker, but our e-nose is looking for changes to the gym locker smell. So if somebody spilled something, or if a battery burst, or a fluorescent light bulb broke, something out of the ordinary.
This extraordinary spaceship will now settle into its new museum home, ready to inspire the next generation. But first, there's that road trip.
My fingerprints have been on that spacecraft, so it's very exciting to think it's going to be driving through the streets in LA. I'm looking forward to taking my kids to see it in the museum.
And very soon you can see these shuttles for yourself if you just go to New York or DC, Cape Canaveral in Florida, or the California Science Center in Los Angeles. From NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab, I'm Dave Malkoff, the Weather Channel.
That's pretty cool, Al. I'm just excited that my kids are going to know what the shuttle program was all about. I think it's so great that they're doing so much with this.
And that was a great shot when they flew in the shuttle, had it hovering over the highway, and then the jet. That was pretty cool. All right, Maria, thank you so much. Hey, we got